back to my channel. Today is part 2 of my kitchen declutter and organize on a budget. And this time it is really on a budget because I only had like one thing left over that I hadn't used from Target, and I did not go out and buy anything else. So yeah, we didn't spend any extra money this time. If you are new here, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. The last video, I told you guys that I needed about 34, I believe, more subscribers to hit my goal for 2020, which was 200 subs. And you guys, you support me so much, and I just want to thank you. Now I only need 7 more. I cannot believe it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I would absolutely love to have you. Let's get into it.
I got what I want, closure. Wasted too much heart on you. Wish I learned to use my head. Cause right before I fell for you, I fell right into your bed. I'm not looking for revenge. I don't need you to be my friend. I just want this fake love to come to an end. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are.
So I didn't have any kind of organizational bins or anything up here. I just organized it by similarity. So canned fruit is over there, vegetables, there's like some pastas and everything together. So that's how I did that.
If you haven't picked it up, it's over. Run back to her, cause I got what I want, closure. You wanted her. You left me hurt. But I won't cry as long as I give me some closure.
Also, when I do get to 200 subs, I want to do a Q&A. It will be incorporated into a cleaning video, but I want you guys to, if you have questions for me, send it. You could obviously DM me on Instagram, or you can leave your questions down in the comment section.
Just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are, don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. Run back to her, cause I got what I want, closure.
So now, of course, I'm just trying to clean off my counters, put stuff away where it belongs, throw away the trash, and it was definitely a task.
The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion. Spinning in my head, feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Just like you.
So these bins I'm getting ready to show you, I believe were $2 at Target, and I use them for like baking stuff. So you'll see in a second what I mean.
High hopes, do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes.
So yes, friends, it took me more than one day to even do this half of the kitchen. Yeah, that's how bad, I guess, the situation was. And you know, when you have kids and all that other kind of stuff, I mean, it just takes time. So, oh well.
Maybe I'm crazy, but something in my mind tells me it's easy to make it come around. I think you want me the same way I want you, almost so easy. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No.
Okay, that jerk marinade is absolutely amazing. I usually will put it with like a few dry seasonings and a little bit of brown sugar, just because like when my kids eat it, it is a little bit on the spicy side. That's even the mild. It's still a little bit spicy, but it is so good. Like I used it for my jerk turkey for Thanksgiving. I use it on chicken. I mean, you can use it, I guess, on any kind of, you know, meat that you want, poultry probably. But it's so good. If you end up like buying it, I bought that at Walmart. I don't know if I told you guys that, but I bought that at Walmart. It is around $3 to $4, I think, but a little bit goes a very long way. If you end up using it, make sure you tag me on Instagram, because I want to know how your food turned out. If you're not following me already, I'm under Just Marie Homemade, so same as here on YouTube, and I would absolutely love to have you over there too.
Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. This town is quiet when it's late, yeah. This town is quiet when the night is getting close. I'm outside, gonna stay here. I'm outside until you tell me to stop. I'm being so dramatic. I'm always being so dramatic. This town is quiet when it's late, yeah. This town is.
All right, y'all, let's get into these junk drawers. I asked you guys in my last video if you have a junk drawer, and most of you who answered said that yes, you do. So I know I'm not alone. It just builds up so fast. It's crazy. I have some old like honey mustards from Wendy's. And speaking of honey mustard, do you guys like Wendy's honey mustard? I absolutely love it. I think it tastes so good. But these right here got to go to the trash because they are old. So I still have some of that leftover Duck brand contact paper, so that's what I'm going to use to line these two drawers. Also, I don't know if you guys are thinking it, but I'm just going to call myself out. I know that I did not line any of the other shelves. At this point, I just feel like done is better than perfect. That's kind of like my new motto. That's what I've been living by. So at some point, I will go back in and line everything else, but it's not happening right now. Keep random screws that you find like when you're going through your stuff. I found a lot of different like screws and bolts or whatever, and I probably should just throw them away, but I didn't throw them away just because I'm like, of course I'm gonna need them or something like that. I don't know, we'll see.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on
Okay, you guys, we are in the home stretch. This is the last cabinet that we have to organize. I want to point out this new cutting board that I bought. I bought it right before Thanksgiving. Oh, I absolutely love it. It is huge. It has little organizing drawers at the bottom. So if you're like cutting like different vegetables or whatever, you can put them in those separate drawers. It is awesome. So I'm so glad that I organized this cabinet so I can actually get to it easily.
You gotta go, baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this moment.
I didn't mention I got it from Amazon, and if you want the link, let me know and I will post it in the comment section.
Don't jump into that car tonight. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go, baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror.
This is the after. I am definitely satisfied with it. It is 150 times better than it was before. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the support from the returning subscribers. And if you are new here, I really hope that you subscribe, and I will see you guys back here soon in a brand new video. Bye.